Okay, so I fricked over 35-year-old for a private room tonight because I've been on the verge of getting sick for like a week. And I didn't sleep last night and I'm sunburned and I just need to sleep. Can you hear it? I picked a pension that's above a bar. And the bar is hosting a wedding reception tonight. Thought about wedding crashing, but I think the language barrier would probably give it away. And the fact that I'm sunburnt and hobbling around. Also, my door doesn't lock right. So I'm gonna have to like jerry-rig it or something. I think I'm gonna use my like hiking pole and just like figure it out that way, because I ate dinner downstairs and the waiters were like so not about having a hiker here tonight. I was like, I'm sorry, I smell. My whole world is yucky. My bad. Anyway, I'm grateful for this bed and comfy pillows. And now I get to go to bed listening to Hungarian polka music. It's a live band too. It's super exciting. Also, check out my tan lines. I don't know if you can see it yet, kind of in this shot. I have like a pretty strong tan line like right here from where I was wearing my headband around noon. And if I take my glasses off, it's pretty funny. Oh, you can't really see it in this light. I have like, yeah, there, now you can see it. Got some pretty wicked tan lines, guys. One of these days I'm gonna have enough Wi-Fi signal to load these videos. And then my fans will go crazy. Okay, but I'll keep it short. I'll try to keep these around 2 minutes, so. Very tired. Got a pension. Might go wedding crashing. I don't know. I feel like there could be free booze. Still stuck on the language barrier, though. And I'm gonna be hobbling, and all of the waiters have my name already, because they don't like hikers here. That's all I got. Okay, bye.